Hi there, my name is Angel,
And I'm Billy.
and thank you so much for joining us today at the Natural
Lifestyle.
Show channel. We have been making natural videos for many years.
Many years.
So if you're interested in a topic about natural lifestyle, you should search through our videos and see if you can find what you need.
All the videos.
All of them. But we want to tell you today that we are in the process of making a course on raw foods. We started eating raw foods about 10 years ago, and we have been eating a high raw diet since then. There are many benefits that we have found, and a lot of different techniques and ways that we do things, and we're ready to share it with you.
Yummy. I love recipes.
So sign up for our newsletter in the link below. Keep in touch with us, and when this is released really soon, we will get with you. We're looking for a few good people who are interested in raw foods. Is that you?
Could be.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.